New bust down on my wrist, design of my drip, swim with the fist, design of my whip, look like a fish, switchery up, design of my kicks, China plate, China dish, Dubai whips, Dubai trips, foreign chicks, shot when I land inside the drip, exotic whips, exotic trips, exotic kids, exotic biz, shot when I land inside the drip, exotic whips, exotic chips, exotic trips, shot when I land exotic trip, New Amsterdam, no smoking got gift, $9,000, that's just for the fit, in Dubai driving a whip like my shit, clutching the gear, I'm making this shit, doing the dash, I'm crunching the gas, and $5,000 kick, foreign exchange, checking on profit, 20 on the watch, ain't never clock in, blood on my shoes, you know I'm popping, Louis turban around my head like Aladdin, Gucci belt on, and I'm still sagging, catch me dabbing out in Durban, shopping in Europe with a fur, catching flights like I'm touring, I bought a foreign cause it was born, I'm counting foreign money till I start snoring, Lamborghini brought
Yo, heading to the event right now. They literally rushing us. So we gotta hurry up. It's hot though, man. Like we had to tell them, like we had to walk, go get our own food. It was hot while we was walking. So of course we gotta take a shower. We can't come and sell a dream smelling like a nightmare, man. So had to take a quick shower. You see me, Shivaji fit, Fendi on the kicks. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. So, about to head to this event real quick. JT in the back, Steve, That's what happened when that rum hit you.
That's what happened when that rum hit you.
It's literally hot, guys. I can't even make this up. You see I'm sweating, I hate sweating. I told you guys that already. But yeah, we about to get to this event, shut it down, man, and we back at the crib, so let's get it to go.
I thought we were supposed to be brotherhood. I thought we were meeting in the like, we were gonna go together. Alright, see, I'm about to sweat. We not going right away, right?
It's been a long day.
Yeah. Listen, we had to walk 3 miles to get food. All right.
3 miles, they know.
You know what I'm saying?
Where you ended up?
And when we got there, and they didn't even have no food.
They didn't have the fish, so we had to wait for the fish. Yeah.
Where?
Cuz.
Guys, listen, man. The information that you guys are about to get tonight, it can literally change and transform your life, right? But here's the thing, you've got to be open to it. You've got to have an open mind. Okay? This only works if you have an open mind. The truth is, over the last 2 years, we've been helping and changing lives all across Barbados, all across the globe, and you guys are in a perfect position right now to get this information. Look at the person next to you and tell them you are in the right place at the right time. You're in the right place at the right time. I want to put your attention to the screen first and foremost, right? And welcome Mr. Stevenson Lindor. One time for me, make some noise!
How many of you guys currently right now have a job? Right? That's a lot of you, right? How many of you guys actually like your job?
There's 2 ways you can become successful in this world. You're either talented or you're knowledgeable. Talented, you know, you're an athlete, right? Like LeBron James, Michael Jordan. Unfortunately, I used to play sports, but I'm not LeBron James. I'm not LeBron James. Or you're knowledgeable. A Warren Buffett, a Bill Gates, a Mark Zuckerberg. So I said, all right, I got to become knowledgeable, because if you're not
talented or knowledgeable, guess what you're going to be doing for the rest of your life? Working a job. Every person that's successful is either talented or knowledgeable. And if you don't figure out which one of those two things you are, you're going to work a job for the rest of your life. I took a chance, took that leap, and guess what? I haven't worked a job in over 5+ years. I wake up whenever I want. I get to travel the whole world, literally. I've been everywhere this year. Europe, Africa, Australia, I've been everywhere. All because I learned this skill set. So you go to school, right? I want to see something real quick. I love talking to students, right? So, what college do you go to? Barbados Community College. And what are you studying? Business studies. And what year are you in? Second. And how much did you pay to go to this school? Too much money. That's what I needed. Too much money. Now, first time here, right? How old are you?
22.
22. Are you in school?
No.
No? What do you do right now?
Looking for a job.
Looking for a job. No job. Not in school. Looking for a better way. She came here pretty much on nothing. Expecting nothing. And guess what? Because she believed and took this and said, yes, I want to change my life even though I don't have a job, even though I'm not in school, even though right now I might be lost, I see potential. I believe in me. And guess what? We believe in you too. Trader, six-figure, multi-figure earner because of this man. We have six-figure traders in the crowd. Six-figure traders, builders right now because of this man. He's impacted everybody in this entire company, whether you know it or not. Because of all the obstacles that he went through, he changed over 150,000 people's lives. So I want you guys to keep up your energy. I want you guys to clap, 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 clap. I want you guys to scream at the top of your lungs for my man, my good brother, Gary!
Barbados, how you feeling? So guys, you can sit down. I appreciate you. So, a little bit about myself. My name is Garrett Roberts. I seen this opportunity going back almost 6 years ago. See, it's one thing for someone like me to be successful, someone like Steve, they got the gift of gab, they come on stage, they're real dressed properly, they know how to speak, they know how to talk, they know how to make you laugh, they know how to present, right? But it's different when you look at somebody in your family that's not in business, someone that's not in sales, someone that's not in investing, and you say they can win. Right? This is not a platform that you guys seen before. This is not something where we need you to sign up to make money. Because just to tell you the truth, on my plane ride over here, I made some good money. Everybody say they want to be business owners, but do you just want to be a business owner or do you want to be a successful one? Because anybody can open a business. You know how many businesses I see that doors close months later? And that's sharing my experience. Hey, yo, I didn't know anything about trading until a couple of years ago. I got involved. I started a business around the concept. Now we make good money. And then I use that money to invest it on the plane ride here. I made good money. Right? Guys, you gotta understand, we literally do this as a gift from our heart, guys, because we all truly believe. I haven't asked David, I haven't asked Stevenson, but I know just off of how they move. I know how they move, that they truly believe if you help people get what they want, you'll automatically get what you want. How many people want to go to the next level financially? Nah. See, when I wanted to go to the next level financially, I was hyped about it because I knew we was going to get there. I want you to stand up for me. High energy equals high income. Believe that. Believe that, believe that, believe that. So, ladies and gentlemen, this next person that I'm about to bring up to the stage is literally a walking legend, right? Walking legend, you guys already know this, right? So when I say you need to give your full attention to what's about to be said, because it can take you to the next level. The next level, study it, right? Study it, take it in, believe in it. It all starts with you believing in it. Put your hands together for Mr. David and Mamita!
Barbados, how you doing? What I saw with this concept was a little different. Was that there was an opportunity for people to make money and really create financial freedom for themselves without having to build an organization. How many of you have ever heard that if you want to change a nation, you start with the youth? How many of you have heard that before? How many think that's important? So this young man is 20 years old. Now you're looking at him today at 20, but I don't look at him at 20 today. I look at him at 25. What happens to him over the next 5 years, learning a skill set on how to multiply money in the largest financial market in the world? Where do you think he'll be 5 years from now? What's been your best day trading, if you don't mind me?
I've made $2,000 investing.
Your best day, $2,000. Let's give a round of applause for that. Okay? Now, if you made at least $5,000 trading, stay standing. At least $5,000. Praise God. What's your name? The women are dominating, isn't it?
I gotta get some cash, nigga. We on the strip. We need cash, bro. We don't sell cars.
How much cash?
That's not enough cash.
200? Huh? 200? It's lit over there. ATM out of service. Bathrooms out of service. Oh, they got a pizza in there. Oh, they got everybody else. Yeah. Yes, sir. About to find some food with the squad. You already know we gotta break bread at the event. It's late. I know I'm too black, but y'all see me.
This is something that all of us decided that we're gonna give to you, and there's something special on it. There's something special. You ready?
Yes.
Thank you.
You gotta open it up.
Come on, man.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wait, hold on.
New bust down on my wrist, design of my drip, swim with the fist, design of my whip, look like a fish, switchery up, design of my kicks, China plate, China dish, Dubai whips, Dubai clips, foreign chips, foreign chicks, shot when I land exotic trip, exotic whips, exotic trips, exotic kids, exotic piss, shot when I land exotic trip.